Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can create app folders on your Motorola Edge 40 Neo. To create app folders now, we will press and hold on one app and then just drag it on top of another one, and then this little folder got created here. We can click on it, we can edit the name of the app, and then we can also move the folder around. You can drag as many apps in there as you like. And then you have your little folder here. To get apps out of it, you need to press and hold and then just drag them out and drop them wherever you want them to be. And if you have only one app left in the folder disappears by itself. So you need to have at least 2 apps to create an app folder. So that's just pretty quick and simple how you can create app folders on your Motorola Edge 40 Neo. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.